Sometimes I cry, sometimes I fight the walls, sometimes I hit myself, sometimes I want to curse God, sometimes I want to curse whatever must have brought glaucoma onto me. But then the truth is that it's not good to be lonely.
Lunacy invades the sanctuaries of cross and crescent, a burglar spirit yielding to the temptation of roguish saints. Lunacy is a preacher of lies. Lunacy is a merchant of heists. Lunacy is a vampire. Lunacy is a vulture, feeding on the carrion of dead souls. Lunacy invades the sanctuaries of cross and crescent.
Lunacy invades the sanctuary of cross and crescent. Doctors will call or brand glaucoma as a sight thief. So you can only address the symptoms. So that's how I also lost mine in 2009 eventually. A very depressing moment for me, actually, a very depressing moment. I discovered that majority of persons with disabilities in Nigeria, in my country, don't have a voice in mainstream news media. So there is discrimination and stigma that will not allow you to thrive. The problem began for me at work. I had editors-in-chief who would not want to pay me. I was not just isolated, I also contemplated suicide when a friend of mine, very good friend of mine, said, I don't think that you should stop journalism. So that's how I changed from being an art and culture reporter to a human rights and development reporter. And after then, I've won about 5 overall prizes as a journalist with visual disability. I've always told myself as a child that I wanted to school in the UK. I wanted a UK master's degree. And I know that the only way I can do it as a person with visual disability is to get a scholarship that will fund my education. I applied for 10 years and I got it on the 10th year. Hello?
Hello, how are you?
Hi, can I have some donut and sausage? I remember when I was a child, so sometimes if I want to dodge the house chores, so I quickly take my textbook and I will sit down in the corner, I will start reading. So my mom will come quietly to me and say, okay, so Gbenga, I know you will go to Cambridge, but before you go to Cambridge, please do the things I ask you to do. If she could see me now, maybe I would do my PhD in Cambridge, just so that I can actually tell my mom that, you are actually a fantastic, clairvoyant, yeah.